Oh my God. There's a bird in the house. I'm gonna get it. It's up in the attic. Please, birdie. Don't attack me. I'm just here to help you. Please don't hurt me. Oh my God, there's like 2 birds. Do you see this? Fasher! Measure! No! Don't fly away. I won't hurt you. Oh my God, I have to get closer. I'm not gonna hurt you, birdie. Dang, where'd it go? Oh my God. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Shh, do you hear that? Oh, now you probably can't because you're a freaking tractor. But it's making noises. It's like, bird, bird. Make it. Ooh, lime green rainy. Okay, now I must get down on the ladder. Whoa. Oh my God. Holy freaking shiznit. I'm scared. Please, don't let me fall. Don't let me fall. Okay, I'm good. I made it! Out alive! Now I must find the birdie. Birdie, birdie, I can hear you. Hey, come on, wherever you are, I can hear you. I think it's in here. My God. I can hear you. Shh, do you hear that? You are up there somewhere, and I cannot get you. Ew, you pooped on the floor. Into the bonus room. Oh my God. No, birdie, I'm not going. Where'd you just go? Oh my God. Don't panic, bird. Don't kill yourself. Hey, you can't get through that window. Stop it. Birdie? Birdie? Okay, it's alive. Here, come on, go through the window. No, stop it. Go through the window, come on. Come on, birdie, 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 birdie. Go through this window. My neighbor's house. Freaking window, how do you lift this thing? Stop panicking. Stop panicking, bird. Oh, there's a garage door. Hey, birdie, birdie. Oh my God, where'd he go? Birdie! I cannot find it. Are you okay, birdie? Come here. I'll let you out. Oh, freaking tractor. I'll let you out if I can open this freaking window. Oh. Did I just see the birdie? Oh, I'm just hallucinating. Hey, there's my measure's car. Alex! Whatever. Okay, bye, birdie. Freaking retarded bird. Gosh! I can still hear you. Get out of here, birds. You are not welcome. There's like 9 dead birds in... Chasing the bird, chasing the bird. Oh my God. Here. Don't move. I'll let you out. Stop it. Okay, that was a womanly scream that just came out. You're gonna kill yourself, bird. Go out of the window. I will let you out. Yay! It's free! Good bird, good bird. Now, what the heck? This window is weird. It's not supposed to open that way. I didn't even know it could open that way. Huh, I'm learning. Okay, well, this video is like 5 minutes long, so I'm gonna go. Bye.